Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today we have another MrBeast Burger review. Yesterday he launched over 300 locations and one was near us, so we ordered a burger. So check out the video we did yesterday. It has pretty good views right now. Check it out. One of our first burger review videos on this channel. We usually don't do videos like this, but it was pretty interesting, so decided to do one. Today we're going to be trying the crispy chicken tender sandwich and seasoned crinkle fries. The chicken tender sandwich costs $6.99. Seasoned crinkle fries, $3.25. So after taxes, delivery fee, service fee, and the tip, it was $22.15. So if you've seen the previous video, the bag looks very similar. Has the MrBeast sticker right in the front, and it has this tamper seal right on top. And we are going to just break that open. So if you've seen the previous video, they gave us 3 ketchups also, and one was different. So same pattern, which is pretty funny. They gave us some utensils. The MrBeast fries has the MrBeast fries sticker, and the chicken sandwich has a sticker also on it. So let's open up the sandwich. We're going to throw the fries. We're going to try to open up the sandwich. Here we have, it looks like we have some mayo, pickles, and lettuce. Looks like these are tenders with some mayo. It's a little dry there in the middle. Now we are going to try it. Wow, that's pretty good. It's actually delicious. So if we are going to compare it to Chick-fil-A, this sandwich definitely has more taste. Comparing it to a Popeye sandwich, I would say the Popeye sandwich is still a lot better. So better than Chick-fil-A, but Popeyes tastes a little bit better. And just keep in mind the food came a little cold. So the fries are pretty good. So 1 out of 10, I would say this sandwich is going to be a 9. Chick-fil-A, I'm going to rate Chick-fil-A an 8, so you guys know the scale. And Popeyes is also going to be a 9. So I think it's up there with the Popeye sandwich. Definitely a unique taste. Tastes very good. So the food came a little cold. The driver said there was a long wait. So the food's a lot cold actually. The fries are not that good. Chick-fil-A fries and Popeyes fries are way better. Maybe it's because it's cold. They weren't really that good. I would rate the fries probably a 4 out of 10. Chick-fil-A's fries are pretty good. I would rate that about a 7, and then Popeyes about an 8. So maybe it's just because the fries are cold, but they weren't very good. They're seasoned. I mean, the seasoning tastes okay. Has a little kick to it. But other than that, they were cold. Not that great. The sandwich, really, really good. I am actually impressed with the sandwich. So there's reports of the food being raw. This chicken sandwich looks pretty good. Tasted good. It doesn't look raw at all. But if you've seen our previous video on the burger, the meat was a little raw. Still eatable. So I have some information for you guys. I asked the DoorDash driver where he picked the food up from, And he said he picked it up from a restaurant called Brio Italian Grill. It's located in Rancho Cucamonga here in California. It has a 4.3 star rating, and most of the reviews are actually pretty good. So let me know in the comments below if you have ordered food, if it's coming from the same restaurant or something different. I'm pretty sure they just contracted these restaurants to make their food. Not sure, but that's where the delivery driver said he picked the food up from, and he said there was a very long wait. That is all I have for today. Check out the previous video we made yesterday. I'll put the link down in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out. Also, consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. And please don't hate me for the Chick-fil-A rating.